It was a bustling morning in the sky, the kind where even the clouds seemed to hum with energy. On the left, Puffy was busy leading a squadron of cloudlings through daring aerial flips. To the right, Gloom was firing off bursts of silent lightning, tinkering with his latest thunder show. And there, perched atop the Rainbow Bridge, sat Toby, smiling gently, soaking it all in like the warm morning sun. But beyond the laughter and zaps and whooshing clouds, in a quiet little corner of the sky, snurr, 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 Puffy's ears perked up. Oh, not again. That's Snory, isn't it? He huffed. Sleeping again? Honestly, does he do anything besides nap? Lazy as a rainless drizzle, that one. Toby let out a quiet chuckle. Maybe there's more to it than meets the eye, he said, and with that, he floated off toward the sound. Snory's little cloud den was soft and glowing, filled with pillowy cloud cotton and the sweet calming scent of dreamgrass. In the centre, Snory lay curled around a cushiony cloud pillow, snoring contentedly. Toby whispered, "Snory." Snory stirred, blinking slowly with a long, cosy yawn. "Toby," he murmured, "you've come to dream with me too?" Toby smiled. "I wouldn't dare disturb your nap, but I must ask, do you always dream in here?" Snory gave a dreamy nod and tapped a peculiar machine beside him. It puffed gently, like a kettle filled with stars. "This," he said, "is my dream cloud maker. Every time I dream, I bottle it into a cloud. Just a puff of it helps tired clouds relax, slow down, and float into peaceful sleep." Toby's eyes widened as he peered into the nearby dream clouds. One shimmered like a hot spring, another swayed beneath leafy shade, and one sparkled with sleepy starlight. "But people think you're lazy," Toby said softly, almost guiltily. Snory chuckled, low and mellow. "Drifting off isn't laziness, my friend. It's healing. I may not shout or zoom about, but I'm working just the same, creating space for others to pause, breathe, and mend their hearts." Later that afternoon, Toby invited everyone to visit Snory's dreamy haven. Puffy, ever sceptical, gave a tentative sniff of the sunny nap cloud. Within moments he was sprawled on the grass, snoring louder than Snory himself. A goofy grin spread across his face. Gloom took a cautious puff of the silent rainstorm dream. And for once, no thunder followed. Just the soft rhythm of imaginary rain. His eyelids fluttered, and soon even the grumbliest of clouds was fast asleep. That evening, the sky was different, softer, still. Even the sun seemed to take its time setting, stretching golden rays across the horizon. Toby stood quietly watching his friends in their dreamy peace. He turned to Snory, who was just settling back into his cloud bed. "Thank you," Toby said, his voice gentle, "for reminding us that rest isn't giving up. It's getting ready to shine all over again." Snory yawned, nestling into the fluff. "Take your time, Toby. A slow sky is a brighter one." "Snore, snore, snore."